When I created this virtual machine that you see here in my Azure portal, I created the resource group as a send store, as you see here. But what if I want to change that because maybe this particular virtual machine is going to be billed to a different client now, or there may be some other reason that you no longer want to have that store that you've been using. So if we see under resource group, next to Ascend Store, the option is there to click Move. So I'll click on Move. So I'm going to hit the drop down and choose one of my other resource groups. Click Next. And now we're pending the validation that you see on the right-hand side. And this could take up to a couple of minutes for it to be approved. The approval was successful. I'll click Next. Now I'm going to check the box saying, yes, I understand about the move. And now it's moving. Moving to a new resource can assist you in organizing your virtual machines the way you want them when circumstances change.